Have you ever wondered how to reset your gut and detox your intestines? Welcome to a topic that's more crucial to your health than you might think. Today, we're going to demystify the process of resetting your gut, and we'll do it in a way that's easy to understand and follow. Our gut is a powerhouse of our body, responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. But sometimes, it needs a little help to function at its best. A gut reset can do wonders for your overall health, from boosting your immune system to improving your mood. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to effectively detox your intestines. We'll break down the process into clear and straightforward steps, so you can take control of your gut health without feeling overwhelmed. Stay tuned to understand the simple science behind a healthy gut and how to achieve it. Before we dive into the steps, let's understand the science behind gut health. Imagine your gut as a bustling city, with millions of residents working day and night. These residents are actually microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, collectively known as the gut microbiome. Just as in a city, each of these microorganisms has a role to play, and together, they keep the city, or in this case your body, running smoothly. Like any well-oiled machine, your gut does more than just process the food you eat. It's a key player in your overall health. A healthy gut aids in efficient digestion, ensuring your body gets the nutrients it needs. It also plays a crucial role in your immune system, helping to fend off harmful bacteria and viruses. Now let's talk about the gut microbiome. This community of microorganisms does more than just help digest food. They also produce vital substances like vitamins and neurotransmitters. For instance, did you know that about 90% of serotonin, the hormone responsible for mood regulation, is produced in the gut? That's why a healthy gut can mean a happier you. But that's not all. Research shows that the gut microbiome can influence many aspects of health, from heart health to brain function, and even weight management. It's a delicate balance, though. An unhealthy diet, stress, or lack of sleep can disrupt this balance, leading to issues like indigestion, fatigue, mood swings, and more. So it's clear that maintaining a healthy gut is crucial, not just for digestion, but for our overall well-being. And the good news is, our gut microbiome is not set in stone. With the right steps, it's possible to alter its composition and improve our health. Now that we understand the importance of a healthy gut, let's explore how to reset it. The first step to resetting your gut is adopting a fiber-rich diet. Now, you might be wondering, why fiber? Well, fiber plays a crucial role in digestion. It adds bulk to your diet, helping to prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. But the benefits of fiber go beyond just keeping things moving. Fiber is a superstar when it comes to gut health. It feeds the billions of beneficial bacteria living in your gut microbiota. These bacteria break down the fiber into short-chain fatty acids, which have numerous health benefits. They can reduce inflammation, boost your immune system, and even improve your mood. Now, let's talk about how to incorporate more fiber into your diet. It might sound daunting, but it's actually pretty simple. Start by adding more whole grains to your meals. Think brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats. These are not only packed with fiber, but also provide other essential nutrients like B vitamins and iron. Next up, fruits and vegetables. Whether it's a crunchy apple, a handful of blueberries, or a plate of steamed broccoli, these foods are fiber powerhouses. Plus, they're packed with antioxidants and other nutrients that your body needs to thrive. Don't forget about legumes like beans, lentils, and peas. They are a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, and they're an excellent source of protein, especially if you're trying to cut down on meat. Last but not least, nuts and seeds. A handful of almonds, chia seeds, sprinkled on your yogurt, or a tablespoon of flax seeds in your smoothie can quickly ramp up your fiber intake. Remember, when you're increasing your fiber intake, do it gradually to give your body time to adjust, and pair it with plenty of water to aid digestion. So remember to incorporate more fiber into your diet. It's a simple step, but it can make a world of difference in resetting your gut and boosting your overall health. Step 2 in the process is to hydrate regularly. Picture this: your body is like a well-oiled machine, and water is that vital lubricant that ensures everything runs smoothly. Especially when we talk about digestion and gut health, the role of water is paramount. Water aids in breaking down the food we eat, making nutrients more accessible. It also helps soften the stool, preventing constipation, a common gut issue. When your body is well hydrated, it encourages the growth of good bacteria in the gut, promoting overall gut health. So, how much water should we consume daily? While it varies from person to person, a good rule of thumb is to aim for 8 glasses of water a day. However, factors like your activity level, climate, and overall health can influence this. Listen to your body and hydrate accordingly. Remember, a well-hydrated body is a happy body. Make sure to keep yourself hydrated throughout the day. Moving on to step 3, it's all about probiotics and prebiotics. Now, these two terms might sound like complex scientific jargon, but they're actually quite simple to understand. So let's break it down. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your health, especially your digestive system. We usually think of bacteria as something harmful, but your body is full of bacteria, both good and bad. Probiotics are often called good or friendly bacteria because they help keep your gut healthy. On the other hand, prebiotics are types of dietary fiber that feed the friendly bacteria in your gut. This helps the gut bacteria produce nutrients for your colon cells and leads to a healthier digestive system. Together, probiotics and prebiotics form a dynamic duo, working synergistically to maintain a balanced gut microbiome. They help cultivate a healthy environment in your gut, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria while inhibiting the growth of harmful ones. This balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and, by extension, overall health. So, how can we incorporate these into our diet? Well, probiotics are found in fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and kimchi. They're also available in the form of dietary supplements. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are found in many fruits and vegetables, particularly those that contain complex carbohydrates such as fiber and resistant starch. These carbs aren't digestible by your body, so they pass through the digestive system to become food for the bacteria and other microbes. In conclusion, nurturing your gut microbiome with probiotics and prebiotics is one of the most effective ways to reset your gut and maintain a healthy intestinal environment. They help replenish the good bacteria and feed them to keep your gut in a balanced state. So remember, the path to a healthy gut isn't just about what you eat, but also about feeding the microscopic friends in your gut. Incorporate probiotics and prebiotics into your diet for a healthy gut. The fourth step is to exercise regularly. Now you might be wondering, what does exercise have to do with gut health? Quite a lot, actually. Regular physical activity helps to stimulate the natural contractions of your intestines, promoting better digestion and absorption of nutrients. Think of your digestive system as a busy highway. Without regular exercise, it's like a traffic jam where nothing moves. Regular exercise, on the other hand, is like a smooth-flowing freeway, allowing food and waste to pass through more efficiently. Additionally, research has shown that exercise can enhance the diversity of your gut microbiota. This is important because a diverse gut microbiota is associated with a healthier gut and overall well-being. So get moving. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a high-intensity workout, find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Remember, a healthy body promotes a healthy gut. The final step to resetting your gut is to limit processed foods. We live in a world where convenience often trumps health. This is evident in our food choices. Processed foods, with their long shelf life and easy preparation, have become a staple in many homes. But did you know that these foods can wreak havoc on your gut health? Processed foods are typically high in sugars, unhealthy fats and sodium, and low in fiber, a combination that's not exactly gut-friendly. Consuming them regularly can lead to an imbalance in your gut bacteria, contributing to a range of health problems from bloating and constipation to more serious issues like irritable bowel syndrome and even chronic diseases. Moreover, many of these foods contain additives and preservatives that can irritate the gut lining, leading to inflammation and impairing its function. This can disrupt the absorption of nutrients from your food, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. So what's the solution? It's simple. Opt for more natural, wholesome foods. These are foods that are close to their natural state, minimally processed, and free from additives or other artificial substances. Think fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods not only provide a wealth of nutrients that your body needs, but they're also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. Incorporating these foods into your diet doesn't have to be a chore. It can be as simple as swapping out your morning cereal with a bowl of oatmeal, topped with fresh fruits, or replacing that bag of chips with a handful of nuts or seeds. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating processed foods from your diet. It's about making healthier choices more often. Every small change you make can have a big impact on your gut health. Swap processed foods with natural, wholesome choices for a healthier gut. We've covered a lot of ground on how to reset your gut, so let's quickly recap. Our journey to gut health began with understanding the science behind it. We learned that our gut is a complex ecosystem of bacteria and other microbes, playing a vital role in our overall health. The first step we discussed in resetting our gut is adopting a fiber-rich diet. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes. These are all fiber powerhouses that aid in digestion and help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Hydration came in as our second step. Water is crucial in the digestion process and helps maintain the balance of good bacteria in our gut. It's a simple yet effective step towards a healthier gut. We then moved on to the world of probiotics and prebiotics. These tiny powerhouses can drastically improve our gut health by introducing beneficial bacteria and feeding the ones already present. Foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, and asparagus are not just tasty, but also packed with these gut-friendly components. Regular exercise was our fourth step. It's not just about looking good, but also about feeling good from the inside out. Exercise can stimulate the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, aiding digestion and boosting our overall gut health. Our final step was about limiting processed foods. These foods can disrupt the balance of our gut bacteria, leading to a variety of health issues. Opting for fresh, whole foods instead can bring us one step closer to a healthier gut. In conclusion, resetting our gut isn't about a quick fix. It's a lifestyle change, a commitment to our health. It's about nourishing our body with the right foods, hydrating regularly, exercising, and saying no to processed foods. Remember, a healthy gut is key to overall health and well-being. Now that you have the knowledge, it's time to take action. Embark on this transformative journey to reset your gut. It's not just about feeling better, but about embracing a healthier, more vibrant version of yourself. This journey is one that is personal and unique to each individual, so take these steps and modify them to suit your lifestyle. Remember, it's not a race, but a journey of self-discovery and health improvement. If you found this video valuable, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us produce more content just like this. And if you know someone who could benefit from resetting their gut, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Together we can create a community committed to health and wellness. Don't forget to watch our other videos for more health tips. Until next time, here's to a healthier you.